Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word grassland. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The vast grassland stretched out as far as the eye could see, dotted with grazing cattle and wildflowers. A grassland is a large, open area covered with grasses, flowers, and other herbaceous plants, typically found in a semi-arid or temperate climate. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.